Hello friends! This coming Monday is Memorial Day in the United States. So I created this pattern as a craft project for Memorial Day. Let me show you how I made it. I'm using crochet thread 10 in white, red, and blue colors. 1.25mm crochet hook. First we start with a ring. With the red color, chain 1, make 24 single crochet in the ring. So I've made 24 single crochet and I've cut a red thread. Now use the white thread. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Chain 1, turn the work. Make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1. Skip the next stitch. 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. So now I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 half double crochet and chain 1 spaces. Now I'm gonna cut a white thread. I'm gonna hide the ends first. Now I've cleaned up the ends. I'm gonna join the blue color. You can join either side. You can join from the first stitch. Chain 4. This is counted as 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Skip the next stitch. 3 double crochet in the next chain space. Chain 1. Skip next 2 stitches, 3 double crochet in the next chain space. So repeat, making 3 double crochets and chain 1, Now I've just made 3 double crochet in the last chain space. Now chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet in the last stitch, now you can cut the blue thread. I've cleaned the ends again. Now join the red color in the 3rd chain of the chain 4. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the same place. Now chain 1, make a single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the next stitch. So repeat single crochet and chain 1 till the end. So here you have your patriotic earring.